Did you see the light?
Yeah.
Are you back?
Yeah.
Is it Jeremiah?
No.
Is it you?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
What are you doing, man?
Are you just enjoying?
No.
Hmm?
No.
What are you doing?
Just got the water.
You want to drink water?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Are you coughing? You still sick?
Yeah.
You need
go to doctor.
you need medicine, innit?
Yeah.
You still sick?
Yeah.
Man, you must see your GP tomorrow.
Yeah. Ambulance.
Hmm?
Don't hurt me.
Is it Jeremiah?
No.
Who are you?
Ambulance hurt my bum.
Hmm?
Ambulance is my bum accident.
You will get healed. Is it Jeremiah?
No.
Who's speaking?
Me.
You who?
Me. Samaya.
Can I have your name?
No.
Why not?
That's my milk.
Uh-huh.
My milk.
You want your milk?
Yeah.
You want to drink your milk?
Yeah.
Come sit down near me. Come here. Are you my best friend? Huh? No.
No.
Yes.
I know.
Yes.
The light right here.
The light. Did you like the light?
Yeah.
Did you like fufu?
No.
No. No more fufu.
No. No more papa.
No more semolina.
I didn't see.
Did you want to eat semolina?
No.
Yes, I know that you want to eat fufu. Huh?
Sounds sweet. It sounds sweet.
You want to eat fufu, Petit?
No.
Yes, you want to eat fufu.
No.
I know that you like too much fufu.
No.
Come on, Jeremiah.
No.
Hmm?
No.
Come on, Jeremiah.
Sour sweet. Sour sweet.
This is Samantha, huh?
No.
It's Samantha, the Titi, Chelsea, Granddad, the Queen, Jeremiah, Isaiah. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, people.
Bye-bye, people.
Bye-bye, Congo.
Bye-bye, Congo.
Mbote Nabino. Yeah. Say Mbote. Say Mbote. Say Mbote. Be a good man. Say Mbote. Huh? You are not a British. You are from Congo.
No.
Yes. You are from Congo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, people.
Bye-bye, people.
I'm Jeremiah.
Jeremiah.
Just back. Are you okay? Eh?
Yeah.
Are you okay, Jeremiah?
Yeah, I'm out.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, people.
Bye-bye, people.
Okay.